All right, we've got this beautiful Grand Western Angus Reserve T-bone steak. It's a T-bone, not a porterhouse, because there's only about 1.25 inches of tenderloin on here. So what we're gonna do is, again, we're gonna treat this very simply and let the flavors, the juiciness, and the tenderness speak for itself. So, liberal amounts of sea salt. Let's turn it over. Sea salt again. A little bit of olive oil. Flavor, lubrication. Turn it over. Do that one more time. And we're ready for the grill. All right, so let's go on the grill with this. Let's go strip side in the back. That way the tenderloin will cook a little bit less quickly than the strip side. Okay, we're sitting at medium rare here. Let's get this off the fire. It's got some nice crisp outer edge to it. Sitting there perfect at medium rare. Let's let that rest. All right, our T-bone's rested. We're sitting at about 130-degree medium rare. Let's present it in this nice cast iron pan here. Very simply, some roasted and grilled vegetables, a little bit of fresh thyme. Bon appetit.